Strap in for a wild ride with the Mercedes-Benz AMG ONE, the hypercar that brings Formula One dreams to life. With a mind-blowing 1,063 horsepower and technology straight from the racetrack, this limited edition beast is ready to leave everything in the dust. Let's dive into the thrill. At the core of the AMG ONE lies a powertrain that would make even the most seasoned race car driver's heart skip a beat. We're talking about a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 engine, straight out of the Mercedes-AMG Formula One team's playbook, but it doesn't stop there. 4 electric motors join the party to create a hybrid system that pumps out a jaw-dropping 1,063 horsepower. That's right, over 1,000 horses packed into this machine, ready to roar at your command. Ever wondered what it feels like to hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds? Well, in the AMG ONE, you're in for the ride of a lifetime. And when the road opens up, say hello to a top speed north of 217 miles per hour. That's not just fast, it's warp speed on wheels. Whether you're dodging corners on the track or making a flashy entrance at your local coffee shop, this car will have everyone's attention. The AMG ONE isn't just powerful, it's a precision instrument. Its incredible agility comes from the carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which keeps it lightweight for explosive acceleration while providing a rigid structure for sharp cornering. Wrapped in carbon fiber body panels, the aerodynamics are fine-tuned for performance. Every curve and contour reduces drag and generates downforce, making the AMG ONE stick to the road like a racing pro. You'll feel confident in every bend as this car delivers a truly exhilarating driving experience. Active aerodynamics sounds like something out of a superhero movie, but it's very real in the AMG ONE. The car's front and rear wings are smart. They adjust in real time based on how and where you're driving. Flying down the straights, the wings reduce drag to help you max out that speedometer. Tackling a tight corner, they flip to boost downforce and glue you to the road. It's as if the car knows exactly what you need when you need it. It's like having a personal pit crew in the wind tunnel just for you. A car like this demands a suspension system that can keep up. Enter the push-rod suspension. This isn't just a fancy buzzword. It's race-inspired technology designed to give you the smoothest ride on the streets and the sharpest handling on the track. Adaptive dampers are in constant communication with the car's brain, adjusting the suspension's firmness based on the surface you're on. Hit a bumpy city street? The AMG ONE smooths it out. Push it hard on the track. The suspension tightens up, giving you race car level precision. In short, it's a suspension system that makes sure the only thing you're wrestling with is how wide your smile is. The AMG ONE doesn't just let you drive, it lets you choose how you want to drive. With 6 different drive programs, this car is as versatile as it is powerful. Fancy a quiet, electric-only cruise through the city? There's a program for that. Want to unleash the full Formula One inspired fury? Race mode is just a flick away. Each drive mode of the AMG ONE tailors the performance to your desires. Whether you're cruising through traffic or tearing up the track, it feels like a whole new car in one sleek, muscular body. Step inside and you'll feel like Lewis Hamilton on race day. The minimalist interior keeps you focused, with deeply bolstered seats hugging you perfectly as you navigate corners. Every control is precisely placed for easy access, inviting you to push the limits while indulging in luxury. Now let's talk about exclusivity. With just 275 units produced, the AMG ONE isn't just rare, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Demand far exceeds supply, placing you in an elite club if you own one. In a sea of supercars, the AMG ONE stands apart as a hypercar that embodies the fusion of Formula One technology and road-ready performance. And there you have it, the Mercedes-Benz AMG ONE, a marvel of speed and engineering. Are you ready to experience the rush of this hypercar? If you love this glimpse into automotive perfection, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell for more rides.